Introducing Rain, the really autonomous irrigation network. An easy-to-install, self-configurable, wireless, fully autonomous, weather-adaptable, self-sustainable, water-saving, self-learning, fail-safe, smart solution for home and school garden growers' watering headache. Our motto is forget about watering with peace of mind. The team leader, Ramiru, with team member Amiru of Ananda College, Sri Lanka. Let's start with the problem. In 2021, Sri Lanka banned the import of chemical fertilizers, a decision that soon proved disastrous, resulting in a huge loss in food production. The situation worsened in 2022 when the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, warned of an imminent food crisis. In response, home and school gardening emerged as a widespread initiative, improving food security. The Ministry of Education also launched the School Garden Program. Aligning with this, we transformed a part of our school garden into a source of fresh produce. Watering the garden was a real fun during school days, but it became a headache during vacations. We spoke to other school and home gardeners, their stories were no different from ours. So, whether it be a school garden or a home garden, regular watering is a significant challenge due to busy lifestyles and the unavailability of gardeners during vacations. This naturally prompted the question in our minds whether it is possible to automate the watering to occur only on dry, sunny days, conserving precious water on wet, rainy days, and providing real-time status updates through technology. So we checked the market. Unfortunately, existing solutions, such as standalone soil moisture meters and timer-based sprinkler controllers, lack interconnectivity and self-sustainability. Even more expensive interconnected smart solutions on the consumer market rely on domestic Wi-Fi, limiting their use, as most gardens have poor Wi-Fi coverage. Moreover, most of them are neither weather-adaptive nor fail-safe. So, we developed our own solution. The Really Autonomous Irrigation Network, RAIN, is an innovative IoT solution designed to address this challenge. Its sensor probe collects soil moisture data and transmits them to the irrigation controller over a dedicated radio link, ensuring reliable operation even in areas with no Wi-Fi coverage. The irrigation controller then compares received soil moisture data against a threshold but refrains from watering solely based on falling moisture level. Instead, it dynamically adjusts the watering schedule using real-time weather forecasts, optimizing water usage. This water conservation feature is crucial, given the FAO's prediction that over 50% of the world's population will face a severe water shortage by 2050. RAIN also facilitates users to monitor their gardens in real time, configure settings, and even manually control watering through its mobile app. Now let's see the working of this solution. Simply, insert the sensor probe into the soil bed. Then, screw the irrigation controller into any standard garden tap. Now using your mobile phone, connect to the RAIN hotspot set up by the irrigation controller. Then, scan the QR code. Select your Wi-Fi network and provide credentials on RAIN Wi-Fi provisioning webpage and connect. Hereafter, every time you turn on the irrigation controller, it will self-configure and automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, open the RAIN app. RAIN app will display the current soil moisture level as a percentage. Then enter the GPS location of the garden for weather forecasts and expected rainfall for skip watering as comma-separated values. Then, set the soil moisture threshold using the slider. Now, tap the Auto button for autonomous irrigation. The irrigation controller then compares the current soil moisture level against the threshold. However, it refrains from watering solely based on falling moisture level. Instead, it communicates with the Weather API and gets the forecasted rainfall. If the forecasted rainfall is less than the expected rainfall, it waters the garden, optimizing water usage. As soon as it receives a higher soil moisture reading than the threshold level, it stops watering, saving precious water resources. If required, the user can manually water the garden by tapping the on and off buttons. Now let's see the fail-safe options available in this system. One of the important aspects of designing autonomous systems is implementing fail-safe options, in case the system fails. So, what if radio communication fails? Will the plants not get any water? No, RAIN learns from past data and will water the garden at least once a day if no soil moisture readings are received. Then, what if the radio link fails while watering? Could this lead to flooding? No, rain will automatically stop watering after a timeout if it fails to receive soil moisture data during watering. Finally, what if weather forecasts are unavailable? Will watering rely solely on soil moisture readings? No, rain intelligently adapts using past rainfall data to optimize water usage. This autonomous, solar-powered, radio-linked, weather-adaptive, and water-saving smart IoT solution integrates a soil moisture meter, sprinkler controller, weather service, mobile app, and a fail-safe, self-learning algorithm, making gardening more productive, convenient, and environmentally responsible than ever before. Last, but certainly not least, rain presents not just a business opportunity but also a meaningful contribution toward the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Specifically, zero hunger, by increasing food production and thereby ensuring food security. Clean water and sanitation, by optimizing water usage for agriculture and thereby increasing water availability for other uses. Responsible consumption and production, by preventing the overuse of water and thereby supporting responsible resource consumption. And finally, climate action, by lowering the energy required for watering and thereby reducing the carbon footprint of gardening.